Thailand is world famous for its bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy tastes. From sizzling street food to aromatic curries, Thai cuisine is a true feast for the senses. Today, we're counting down the top 20 most popular Thai dishes, exploring their flavors, ingredients, and why they're loved worldwide. Which Thai dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food videos. Now let's dive in. 20. Som Tam, green papaya salad. This spicy, tangy salad is made with shredded green papaya, chili, lime juice, fish sauce, peanuts, and tomatoes. It's a refreshing yet fiery dish, especially popular in northern Thailand. 19. Pad. CUA delicious stir-fried noodle dish, made with wide rice noodles, soy sauce, garlic, Chinese broccoli, and your choice of chicken, pork, or shrimp. It's a milder, sweeter alternative to pad Thai. 18. Khao Pad, Thai fried rice. A simple yet flavorful fried rice dish made with jasmine rice, eggs, garlic, onions, and meat or seafood, often served with cucumber slices and lime wedges. 17. Gang Kiao Wan, green curry. This rich and aromatic green curry is made with coconut milk, green chili paste, Thai basil, and vegetables, typically paired with chicken or beef. 16. Gai Pad, Med Mam Wang, chicken with cashew nuts. A savory and slightly sweet stir-fried chicken dish cooked with cashew nuts, bell peppers, onions, and dried chilies. 15. Tom Kha Gai, coconut chicken soup. A fragrant and creamy soup made with coconut milk, lemongrass, galangal, chicken, and mushrooms, giving it a slightly tangy yet smooth taste. 14. Mu Ping, grilled pork skewers. These juicy, marinated pork skewers are grilled over charcoal and served with sticky rice and a spicy dipping sauce. A favorite Thai street food snack? 13. Pla Pao, grilled fish with salt crust. A whole fish, usually tilapia or sea bass, coated in a thick salt crust and grilled, keeping the meat juicy and flavorful. 12. Lab spicy minced meat salad. A northeastern Thai specialty, lab is a spicy and tangy minced meat salad seasoned with lime juice, fish sauce, roasted rice powder, and fresh herbs. 11. Kai Jiao, Thai omelet. A crispy and fluffy Thai omelet, deep-fried and served over rice with a side of sweet chili sauce. Simple but incredibly tasty. 10. Khao Soi, northern Thai curry noodles. A specialty from northern Thailand, this creamy coconut curry noodle soup is topped with crispy fried noodles and served with pickled vegetables and lime. 9. Satay, grilled meat skewers with peanut sauce. Popular across Southeast Asia, Thai satay consists of grilled marinated meat skewers served with a rich, creamy peanut sauce and cucumber relish. 8. Pad Kra Pao, Thai basil stir-fry, a spicy and aromatic stir-fry featuring minced pork or chicken, Thai holy basil, chilies, garlic, and soy sauce, usually served with rice and a fried egg. 7. Gayeng Masaman, Masaman curry. A mild and fragrant curry influenced by Persian and Indian spices made with beef, potatoes, coconut milk, peanuts, and cinnamon. Ek Khao Man Gai, Thai Hainanese chicken rice. A simple yet flavorful dish featuring poached chicken served over aromatic rice with a garlic ginger dipping sauce and a side of chicken broth. 5. Yam Tale, spicy seafood salad. A refreshing and zesty seafood salad made with shrimp, squid, mussels, onions, tomatoes, and chili lime dressing. 4. Tom Yum Goong, spicy shrimp soup. Thailand's most famous soup, Tom Yum Goong is a spicy and sour shrimp soup flavored with lemongrass, lime leaves, galangal, chili, and fresh herbs. 3. Mango sticky rice, Khao Nhu Mam Wang, a classic Thai dessert, made with sweet sticky rice, fresh ripe mango, and creamy coconut milk. Simple yet irresistible. 2. Pad Thai, Thailand's signature stir-fried noodle dish. Pad Thai is made with rice noodles, eggs, tofu, shrimp, or chicken, peanuts, bean sprouts, and tamarind sauce, creating the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. 1. Thai BBQ Mu Kratha. A social dining experience, Mu Kratha is a Thai-style barbecue and hot pot, where diners grill marinated meats and vegetables on a dome-shaped pan, surrounded by flavorful broth. That's our list of the top 20 most popular Thai dishes. From spicy curries to refreshing salads and delicious street food, Thailand's cuisine is packed with bold flavors and incredible variety. Which Thai dish is your favorite? Did we miss any must-try Thai foods? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next food adventure.